Welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how you can promote your CPA offer via Pinterest with a simple and easy method. So at first we have to go on funny mathematical problem. You have to search this sentence on Google Images. Okay, after searching this type of problems, funny mathematical problems, you have to choose any of the image from here. Okay, you have to choose a funny image. Okay, so you have, suppose I choose this. Okay, this is a easy method for us, or you can choose this. Okay, now visit the website. You can also download the image from here, but if you download the image from here you will not get a good quality image, but if you download this image from this link you can get the good quality image. Okay, so copy the image or save the image address or save the image on your PC. Okay, after saving this you have to click on save. Now your image has been saved. Now you have to go back on your pinterest.com account. You have to create a Pinterest account. It is very easy. I have already made a video about it. Watch this video. This will be in the card option. Now click on this option. Now click on settings. Now click on the change option. Okay, now we have to choose a photo. So I have to give another image at here, like giveaway. Okay, I choose this image, or for the copyright reason I will click on this tool option and click on uses right Creative Commons license. Okay, I will use this option for get a free Creative Commons license image. Now Google will show me the Creative Commons images. Suppose I have chosen the image, this image. This looks pretty good. Okay, now save this image again. Now come back to here and click on change photo. Now your PC will open. Now you have to select this image. So it is take a little load, then your photo will be uploaded. Now this is a mistakenly I have chosen another photo. I will have to choose. Okay, I think this image, but I think this file is not supported at here, so I have to choose a PNG image. So there is no way I have to choose this image. You have to download the image in PNG version. If you can see, this version name is JFIF. So this image format is not applicable for Pinterest. You have to use JPG or PNG. Okay, so now give the name of our Pinterest profile. Give a math solve. Okay, now here you have to tell something about your page, or get a chance for win iPhones and gift cards. Okay, that's okay. Now here is a add your pronouns option is available, but you can choose any of them. Now on this option we have to go on heylink.com. So it is heylink.me, not heylink.com. This website is a similar like Linktree, but it have many facilities more than Linktree. You can use this website for free. I have already made a video about it. You can watch this video from here. So click on this dashboard option Now they will redirect you on the homepage of the dashboard of hazing.me. I have already made a landing page, and I will log into my account and copy my landing page. Okay, this is our my landing page, and this is look like this. Now I will copy the link of my landing page by clicking at here. You can see this is the URL, control C. Now come back to Pinterest again, and at here this option, paste the URL. Now the image, the username should like give away free for 20. Now click on save. I think it will be saved. Okay, profile saved, or half work is done. Now click on this create option. Now click on create pin. Okay, now we have to post that here. It's called pin, like Facebook called their post on post, Twitter called tweet, and Pinterest called pin. Okay, now we have to add the dimension link, control V. Okay, that's enough. Now upload this image at here by drag and drop, or this image. Okay, that's enough. Now type here, I am promoting a iPhone 13 offer at here, so I will write this type of things at here. Solve the math problem, then click on the link. Okay, that's okay. Now this is our dimension link, and I have said it here. They have to solve that math, then click at this link. They can also click at this link, and you can also type here get a chance to win free iPhone 30. Okay, that's enough. Now click on save, and here is a category option. You have to choose a category. I have choiced money, but you have to choose iPhone. Okay, if this is not available, then you can post on money. Now save. Okay, we have blocked this link because of the load of scam. Okay, now for this reason we have to go on Google sites. Okay, visit Google sites, and we will make another landing page. Okay, this landing page will be a simple landing page. We will only add a text and a button. Okay, it is loading. I have already made a video about Google sites. You can create a free site at here. You don't need any type of hosting. You just only need a custom domain, but they also provide the free custom domain, free domain at here by googlesite.google.com. Now I will delete all of this from here. Now enter the site name, iPhone 13. Okay, 30. Okay, copy this name, or you can also add free because it attracts people attention. Now paste it also at here. Now what you have to do, click on add logo. Now here we have those option, logo and favicon. Okay, so click on upload or click on select. You can click on select and search on Google for Apple logo. Okay, Google Images. Now click on this search option and search Apple logo. Now search it from here and you can use any of the image from here. Okay, I can choose this image. Now click on insert, then click on this favicon icon. You can also add the text at here. Click on the favicon icon and go on the Google option again and search for Apple. Okay, Apple logo. Now choose the image. That's enough. Now click on the save option. Okay, that's enough. You can also add some alternative text at here. Okay, our logo has been added. Now I will close this window. Okay, that's enough. Now click on this text box. Now click on this normal text to title. Okay, now add if your answer is, so we have to go on our here. The answer should be, I think, 22. The answer should be 5 into 20. That means I think the answer is 100. Okay, is 100. Then click the link. Okay, that's enough. Now control A it and control make it bold. Okay, bold it. Now click on this color option. Now make it red. Okay, that's enough. Now we have to give the position center align. Okay, this is not center align, this is center align. Okay, now our half work is done. You can also add some link at here. Control A. Now click on this link option. Now visit the landing page again. Control C. Now on the link option, Control V, then apply it. Okay, now select the color again. Control A, click on the color option. Now choose red. That's enough. Now you have to add a button. Now scroll down at here. Now add the button. Click here. Now insert the landing page again. Now click on insert. That's enough. Now make it center align. Okay, that's enough. Now we can also give some another outline or text or any other thing, but filled is good. Now click on this edit option, then update it. That's okay. Now click on publish. Okay, now we have to give a web address. Namecheap free. Okay, Namecheap free giveaway. Now publish it. Okay, now that's okay. Now click on view. Now this is our website is looking like. You can also make it good. As soon you make the landing page, the people will attract so much. Now paste the URL at here. You can Control A, Control V. That's enough. Now post. Click on save. Now our post will be published. Okay, now click on see it now. Okay, now click on save. Okay, now our profile has been saved. Now some people will see this and they will answer it and visit the website. They will redirect to this page. Then they will click on here. they then will redirect at this window, and they will fill up their email at here. Okay, by this way you can make money online very easily by using this Pinterest. So hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.